Supposed to be tender. Why is there smoke?
8 hours later, let's see the magic. Oh no. Oh, that's not magic, that's burnt. I set it on low. How did it turn into charcoal? Whew, look at this. You could write with it like a piece of chalk. Guess we're ordering pizza tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will be preparing a slow cooker savory pot roast for my family today. It's really cool here in Georgia, and a savory pot roast will just be delightful. So stick to the end. I'm going to have all of the instructions and seasoning listed in the description below. So come with me while I cook for my family. Avocado oil to brown this pot roast. So before I put it in the slow cooker, I am going to brown it and make sure that all the flavors are in. So stick with me as I continue to season. Putting the seasoning that I am using, some garlic powder, but I will also measure it, tell you the measurements in the descriptions below. I'm gonna use some Smokehouse maple seasoning by Grill Mates. And I'm going to use some onion powder. Just trying to get it in there. And I'm going to use a little bit of seasoned salt for taste. So come with me, I'm gonna brown it on both sides. I'm going to brown it on both sides.
Hey, before you scroll, I've got something cooking that'll blow your mind. Seriously, hang on for a second. You're gonna wanna see this. The twist hits in the last 10 seconds and you do not wanna miss it. Stay to the end and thank me later. Worth it.
So the mixture that was on the stove, I added into our slow cooker. I am going to let this cook for about 8 hours, and I'll see you in 8 hours. Thanks for watching.
Really good. This is very good.
This is really good, Mom. Something different.
I hope we got enough for seconds.
Like, comment and subscribe.